All right, so I have the steam cleaner from Waitbird. Now this came in and this actually looks incredible. First of all, this yellow color looks awesome. This is way heavy duty. It is just also small for what it does and the power that it has. We'll get back to that part there. First, we need to look at some of these accessories. So you do have different mop heads that you can use. So you have the nozzle right here that you can unlock and lock and have different power levels there. But so this is like the overall nozzle head, and you have a bunch of different ones like for more direct, like a small little mopping one, a bigger mop, and it does come with little microfiber mop heads and other things that you need to attach. Also, it comes with different bristle heads that you could put on there to really get off tough stains or anything that's on there that you need to get off. And if you need to get further out, it even has an extension pole that you can use to get further up, maybe get those cornices, get those spots on the ceiling. It's also great for spot cleaning and getting out stains in the carpet, or even if you want a deep clean on your floors and grout, you can do that as well. Steam cleaners are just a great way to clean. They're just a great way to use that high pressure, high steam to actually just clean out whatever you need. If you have really dusty curtains, if you have, your carpet, rugs, your couch cushions, things like that, you can really get in there and get any of that dirt and dust and hair and all of that stuff cleaned out. You pour your water in on this side and there is a power button on that side. You let it heat up. It heats up really quickly too. And it's been great just cleaning up all of our furniture, and it works really well. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.